do an alternator. It's a 15 mil here, and then you also have the tensioner. You can check belts out if there's any cracking. And normally, if it starts to leave like lines on your hand when you're messing with it, it's the sign that the belt's starting to get chalky and worn out. Breaker bar goes underneath. Kind of a sensor plug connector thing. And then this one connects to your battery. Now for me, I'm not disconnecting my battery. This is going to be hot with 12 volts. Meaning, you're not going to want to touch this against the engine or anywhere because it will spark. Most people just take the battery and disconnect the negative terminal and you won't have to think about it. Putting the battery terminal back on. The rubber cover to make sure nothing arcs on it. Don't forget that sensor. Oh, look at that one. You don't need to hit that at all. To put them about as tight until your shoulder cracks, and that's when you know it's good. Normally you just put the belt back on and be all set, but I need to do the water pump, so I have more fun to be done.